Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. You watching for today. OxygenOS 16 latest update introduces a new system-wide bypass charging feature for eligible devices like OnePlus 12 and 13 series. But in reality, the bypass charging feature looks like a gimmick and it has some bugs that we already discussed in this old video. You'll find its link in the iCard and in video description. Today in this video, we'll discuss how you can make this feature work properly on your eligible OnePlus devices. If you think our content is useful, then please like, hype and share this video as much as possible. Subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon for notifications of our upcoming content related to OnePlus and OxygenOS. Now without further delay, let's get started. If you connect the OnePlus supervocc charger and enable the bypass charging toggle under the battery and the charging setting, you will see that bypass charging is enabled. But if you verify the actual status of bypass charging using *899# code in the dialer, you will see that it's showing the device is charging. You will find the charger voltage is fluctuating and battery current will remain at 0 or in minus milliampere. But your device will continue to charge at normal speed instead of fast charging, and your device battery percentage level will increase slowly. The same thing will be shown in the device info application if you test the charging status of your device when bypass charging is activated. So bypass charging is not working properly with OnePlus supervocc chargers. It's just reducing the charging speed when bypass charging is enabled to avoid the excessive heat. But you can make this feature work properly by using the normal charger like this. To make bypass charging work properly, you need the USB PD charger rather than the supervocc chargers. When you connect this charger and enable the bypass charging, in the device info application, it may show the battery is charging or discharging, and battery current and the battery power may fluctuate but with the negative values, meaning it is directly providing the power supply to other components of your device, skipping the battery. Similarly, if you check the charging status of your device using *899# code in a dialer, for generic charger, it may show the charging status as charging or discharging, and the battery current remains at very low milliampere level. Your device battery percentage neither increases or decreases, even if it shows you the device is charging or discharging. No more heat will device generate even if it's connected to charger because battery current is directly supplied to motherboard components, skipping the battery. As the device will not heat up, no throttling will happen and you can play games or do any kind of heavy task without any kind of performance drop. This is the only way for now to truly use bypass charging on your OnePlus device. That's all for today guys. Hope you liked our work. Then please do like, hype and share this video. Subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon for notifications of our upcoming content related to OnePlus and OxygenOS. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.